Hi, I'm Tanvi Baluja. I'm a clinical psychologist at the Division of Mental Health at the Institute of Neurosciences. So, today we'll be talking about supporting mental health through everyday habits. Let's look at some of the ways this can help. The first is to sleep well. So, aim to get 7 to 9 hours of sleep every day. This helps rejuvenate the mind and body. Keep a consistent sleep schedule. So, try and go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on the weekends. This helps reinforce your sleep-wake cycle and makes it easier to fall asleep and wake up at the same time every day. Create a calming pre-sleep routine like reading or meditating before you go to bed. This signals the mind and body that it's time to rest. Also, try and avoid caffeine and screen time right before bedtime. The next is physical activity. So, exercising is extremely important. Even a 30-minute walk could actually help. Physical activity helps release endorphins, which are the feel-good hormones in our body. This helps regulate our mood and reduce stress. Yoga, cycling, stretching, jogging, anything that you like could be taken up. Eat well. Include fruits, vegetables, proteins, and whole grains on your plate. Stay hydrated. This helps maintain your energy and concentration. Also, limit processed foods and avoid caffeine and alcohol. This helps the body operate at a more optimal level. It helps mood regulation as well as improves brain function. Practice mindfulness. So meditate, journal, or focus on your breath. Even 5 minutes of mindfulness a day can help you stay grounded in the present moment and reduce anxiety. Throughout the day, practice being aware of your surroundings, thoughts, and emotions without engaging with them, judging them, or reacting to them. The next is to connect with others. Take time out for your friends, families, and support groups. This helps reduce feelings of loneliness, increases a sense of belongingness, provides you an opportunity to share experiences with your loved ones, give and get emotional support while also adding meaning to your life. So take time out every day to spend time with your family. For instance, you can arrange a fixed time to have dinner together every day. Check in with your close ones regularly. You can meet them for a morning walk, catch up over a lunch or a dinner. You can also join online or local groups with shared ideas, interests, and values. Talk about your feelings instead of bottling them up and encourage others to do so as well. The next is to limit screen time. Excessive use of screen time can lead to unhealthy comparisons, lead to feelings of inadequacy, and increase risks for anxiety and depression. Take time off from social media, either by turning off the apps or deleting them. Before you go to bed, you could also keep your phone outside the bedroom or place it in your drawer. Engage in more meaningful offline or in-person activities that can add meaning to your life instead of endless scrolling sessions. Try an evening or morning screen-free routine. This could also help in digital detox. Do something you enjoy. Read, paint, dance, cook, do anything that brings you joy. Engage in activities that are calming and relaxing and make time for them each week. Be mindful of how these make you feel and savor that present moment. Set realistic goals. Set realistic and achievable goals. Overloading with unrealistic expectations can lead to feelings of frustration, while attaining manageable tasks can lead to greater confidence. Break tasks into smaller actionable steps. Prioritize based on importance and deadlines to prevent feeling overwhelmed. Celebrate smaller wins along the way as progress leads to momentum. The last is to practice gratitude. Write down 3 things you're grateful for each day. Share your gratitude with others either through a heartfelt appreciation or a little heartfelt thank you. This helps shift your focus on the positive, helps you focus on what you have rather than what you lack, and enhances a sense of well-being. Start small, stay consistent.